Okay, I'm up here dumpster diving and we got some hackberry in here. You wouldn't put that in the smoker unless you was a total Chad. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out here and burn it for some firewood. Let me get my saw fired up. I also got me a new hookaroon here from Fiskars. Y'all already know what that is. Not gonna talk about it, but I really like it. Alright, I got some gas, I got some oil in my little saw here. Let's get cutting on this stuff. I don't got all day. Let me show you what we got in here. Just a little bit of hackberry, some larger size stuff, but I'm going to try to pull it out here with my little MS 180. It goes all down through there. There she goes. I gotta make a rescue. I got one in the water to get my hookaroon. That'll dry out just fine. Just give it a couple weeks. We'll get her cut up and see how she does. This piece of crap right here, that'll burn right now.
I wake up in the morning, Lord. What do I see? I wake up in the morning, Lord. What do I see?
All right, I about got it cleaned up pretty well.
It's just time. It's getting closer to me.
Kind of a puzzle in here. Let's get going on the rest of this. Like a turtle in the mud. I might have to stop, see if I got a file on this saw. Really bad, slowing me down. Okay friends, I got my saw sharpened up and a guy from the tree service stopped by and said there's more wood on the way, so I hope he's right. We got something worked out. I need some wood, so or else I wouldn't be out here dumpster diving. Now I think I'm just gonna work on this wood and turn the camera off, save some battery, but that's all that's gonna go on. I'm gonna buck this stuff up and get her loaded up here. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this little video, give me a like and a subscribe if you don't mind, please, nice feller. Have a good day. Well, she's cutting a lot better, but I've been running into some problems. I threw a chain. Well, I got my truck about full. There might be a couple cuts left in here. Let me show y'all. My saw's doing a lot better now that I sharpened it. I might make another couple cuts while I'm here. That's what we got left. Right back down there. All through there. There's wood all down through there. Also dangerous in the garbage can. I hit a ratchet strap with my saw. That's what we got so far. Pretty nice little load. And I'm gonna try to cut this elbow off here and get another piece or two out of that and see if I can't fit her in there. Now I had to rescue a couple of them out of the water down here, but so goes it when you're in the dumpster. Now if anybody's looking for a small bit of maple, there's a nice tree up here to make a tabletop out of. You're just gonna need a little bit of help loading. I'm gonna have to get my 180 sharpened up a little before I mess with that one. I got a pretty full load here, but I got her noodled down. I'm gonna see if I can't fit this in my truck. And then I'm ready to go home and get some lunch, man. I'm hungry. Spirit fingers. Well, about got a hernia on that last one, but I got the load loaded. She's full. Now, that's about it for the dumpster dive, and I'm gonna head home and get this stuff split up and get some lunch. I'm out here to pick up another round of pallets. I'm busting mine all up. I need a lot of new ones. That's the way pallets go. Some of the ones I got are low quality, so I'm gonna get these loaded up in my truck here. All right, more tree service wood. Got some nice maple to pick up. Sweet. Got a little mess of some dry elm here. And this is literally firewood. I'm pretty far away. This is about as far as I'll go, but that's some good burning shit right here. Well, all right, we got a nice day out here. I got the splitter set up in a new location with all this maple. See, I made a nice new stacking area here. Now you can see I got the window blocked so I don't bust that out if this stuff shifts and falls over. It is on a hill. That's not going to bother me though. I'm going to stack wood all down through there. So that's a little bit shady in that area, and I'm just going to cover the tops with plastic and hope that it stays dry, and it should still dry out. Now this here, we're just going to take a look at all the cherry I got stacked up. I got quite a bit of cherry going for next year. I'm happy about that. So check that out. Well, I stacked it up. I can't afford to pile it. That just saved too much space. I had that piled and it covered that whole area. And that's all it is stacked. And this is a little section of stove wood. I'm gonna move that now to my stove wood section. Well, somebody had babies in my wood pile. It's a little tiny juvenile. What should I do with them? Probably has rabies. I don't know. I saw two of them running around. I'm gonna put them in here for now. Cute little fella. I gotta get rid of them. Now I found several nests in my wood pile. I don't know what I'm gonna do about them. Probably just leave them be out in the yard in the wood pile, but I might have to put some bait or something up here around the house. Cute little fella. I just don't need any pet mice right now. It'll just pee all over the aquarium. Look at it. I did consider keeping this little feller and making him a pet, but then I'd have to be picking up mouse turds out of my aquarium. I don't want to do that. Right now I'm on a mouse relocation hike. I don't know if you can see me, but I gotta find this little feller a new home. I can't have him living in my yard. There's already a few of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I hate to poison the little fellers, but they're just gonna overrun everything. Here's a nice little brush pile. We'll put them in here. So that's a bunch of maple sticks from a tree that fell down. And there's our little buddy. Let him go. You're free. He's up there. I think he wants to stay. Cute little guy. Real cute.